Hey guys, what's up? It's Miss Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun intermediate level hip hop routine for you. This one's more on the basic side, not so intricate choreography. So let's watch a quick preview and let's get started. Alright guys, to begin this one, we're going to jump side to side. 1, 2, just try to pick up those feet as much as you can. Step behind, 3 and 4. Do it again on the other side. 5 and 6. I'm going to go stomp, tap, stomp, tap. So once again, you jump 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6. Down, tap, up. From there, we're going to jump straight out, 1, cross it over, 2, pivot all the way around, 3, jump it in on 4. From there, we're going to step, 5, then we're going to throw it away on 6, same on the other side, 7, 8. So that second count of 8, we jump out, 1, cross 2, 3, jump 4, then we're pumping it, throwing it, pumping it, throwing it. Good. Let's piece that together from the beginning. So we jump 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, down, tap, up, tap, jump. 2, 3, bring it in, up, throw. Good. From there, we're going to do 3 steps. 1 and 2. We're going to do it again on the other side, but we're going to swivel our hands 3 and 4. So the first one's just like running arms. 1 and 2. Bring it around. 3 and 4. From there, you're going to jump 5. You're going to bring it down on 6. You're going to crack it to the side. 7. And then I'm going to do a chest pop on 8. So this is jump 5, down 6, crack, chest. So let's piece that together from the very beginning. We jump 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, down, tap, up, tap, jump, cross, turn, bring it in, pump, throw, from there, 1 and 2, bring it around, 3 and 4, you're going to jump 5, 6, crack, chest. Good. From there, we're going to bounce 1, 2, and you can walk forward or back. 1, 2, you're going to jump it at 3, you're going to bring it up and around, 4, through the body, bring it down 5, to your side, 6, you're going to crack it 7, then you're going to snap it on 8. And that's going to be the end of our choreography for today. So that very last count of 8, you pump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, snap it on 8. Good. Let's go ahead and piece that all together nice and slow from the very beginning. So we jump 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, down, up, jump, 2, 3, bring it in, pump and throw, 3 steps, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, jump 5, down, crack, chest, pump, 2, throw 3, bring it up 4, 5, 6, 7, snap. All right, let's try it one more time a little bit faster before we piece this together with the music. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Throw. 7, throw. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Crack, chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay guys, it is now time to piece this choreography together with the music. Good luck and try your best. 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright guys, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed that hip hop combo. Remember, if you did, hit that like and subscribe button for new videos every week.